everyone, Tina Servis here. Today I'm going to walk through one of my Google review campaigns. I call this a smarter review request. So the reason that I do this is I want to find out initially if the client that we served is actually happy with the service that we provided before we send them over to our Google review link. Now, some people might talk about that's gating, etc. However, I am in no way, shape, or form eliminating the ability for my client to go and leave a review on Google. All I'm doing is asking how their service was. And if it was good, I'm going to send them over a link to my Google review page. If it was not good, then I'm going to send a notification to my office staff to reach out to them and find out what happened. So the way that we are triggering this particular workflow is through a pipeline stage change. And basically, it's just that the job was completed. So this is for my house cleaning company. So we don't want to send them any information until they actually completed their job. And then we're going to find out, do they already have a Google review tag added? If they do, we're going to stop the automation here. We're not even going to push them through. But if they don't, we're going to take them down this path that basically says, sends them a text message, and says, hey, how was your service today? And then we're going to add some tags here just so that we know that we asked them those questions. It's going to wait a day for their reply, and it's going to wait for their reply. If they do reply, it's going to go down this path over here. And we have 5 different branches here. So branch number 1 is we didn't do a very good job. Branch number 2 is we didn't do a good job. 3 is also, so out of a score of 1 to 5, anything that's 1 to 3, we're going to send the notification to the office staff that basically says, hey, we didn't get this client right. We messed something up. Let's go reach out to them. And then we, in a few minutes, I'll go down path 4 and 5, which means that they were happy with the service. So branch 1, 2, and 3 is over here, basically saying, hey, we missed the mark. We're going to send an internal notification to our team, but we're also going to acknowledge to the client that we did receive their information. We're going to send off a text message to our staff saying, hey, we just got a rated less than a 3. Go and reach out to the person, and this is what they said. We're also going to add a note to their account so that contact or that feedback information is stored within the contact's account. And then we're going to pass that information along to management and let the client know that. So that, again, is going to happen for any feedback that is giving you a 1, 2, or 3 feedback. If it's a 4, we're going to send them off the review link. We're going to wait a few minutes. We're going to see if they clicked on that link. If they did, we're going to tell them thank you so much for leaving us a review. It's going to also let us know what they said in the text message to us, and it's going to add it to their account through this note system here. And then again, we're going to pass that information along to management. There is another section in here that if they did not give us a 5, it does ask them what we could have done to get a 5. So even though they gave us a 4, we're super happy with that, but we want to know what we could have done to get a 5. So that that message is in this automation after they leave us a review. If it's a 5, it's going to go through. It's going to ask them to leave us a review. If they don't go through and leave us a review, then we're going to reach out to them again a few days later and say, hey, would you mind leaving us a review? It means so much to us, and it helps us and helps other people looking for our service know how we are doing. If they happen to not leave us any information at all, like maybe they don't respond to this very the first text message that comes through, then we're going to take them down and we're going to try this a few different times for them. So it says, hey, we tried once, we tried twice, we tried 3 times. So after 3 times, we're basically going to leave them alone. But you can see here that we've done a few text messages and emails just to try to get that review. Now, some people are, they don't want to leave reviews. They don't want to put their name out there that they're getting the particular service that you have. So don't take it personally. Some people just don't do that. And anyhow, this is the walkthrough of what I call the Smarter Review request. And this is if you don't have data coming in already. from your clients and is asking them how they did on the particular service that you are offering.